All right, so we're going to start by reading our learning target together, starting with the word I. I support the central message of a story with evidence. What words in this learning target are important? Kingston.
Support.
What does the word support mean?
Prove you're right.
To prove you're right. Rosie.
Central message.
What's a central message?
The central message is something in the story that trying to say something.
Yeah, it's trying to teach you something, right? Can somebody add on to what Rosie's saying? Maya.
Rosie's trying to say that she's trying to learn the lesson.
Yes, learn the lesson, right? Very good. And we're going to learn that lesson by looking at what?
The text.
The text, but specifically the characters what?
Action.
So we're going to the lesson learned.
And the character.
And I'm going to put through characters action. Good.
The central message means the main idea or lesson and author wants the reader to understand from a text.
All right, Hakeem?
Evidence.
What's evidence?
Something that's important of the story.
It's important in the story, right? So it's going to be the details or that important information from the story. So if I were to take what we know and put it back into my learning target, my new learning target would say what?
I can prove I'm right by lesson learned through character
About
the lesson learned.
Information from the text.
Or a story.
So let's read it and see if it makes sense.
I can prove about the lesson learned with information from the story.
Does that make sense?
Yeah.
All right, so in order for us to be able to do that, what steps or what criteria do we need to have to be successful? Before we can support or prove that central message, we first need to know what?
Your story, your character.
Yes, the story.
And the character trait.
So you're gonna have to be able to know who your characters are, because that's gonna be important. Because the central message we learn through our characters' actions. Once you know who your characters are, you need to specifically look at
Your actions.
Okay, so I need to identify my characters.
Actions.
And then determine the action.
And then determine what they do.
All right, so we have identify characters, determine character actions.
And then
When I look at those character actions, it's going to help me find the what?
the central message.
The central message. So we have to know the central message before we can support the central message. If I don't know the answer, can I prove the answer?
No.
No, you have to know the answer first. You have to know the central message first. So we're going to say, determine
Central message.
the central message. And then once we know what the central message is, we're going to do what?
Prove you're right.
Prove you're right with what?
Information from the text.
Or
Where the text and the story is the same thing. Because if they don't have story,
All right, so we are going to identify our characters, then we're going to determine characters' actions, we're going to determine the central message, and then prove that we're right with information from the text. Before we get into our new text today, which is just ask, be brave, be different, be brave, be you, I have 2 questions at the top of your note catcher where it says we do turn and talk. You are going to turn and talk to the people at your table and answer these 2 questions. The first question asks, why might it be a good idea to be friends with people who are just like you? And the second question asks, why is it important to be friends with people who are not just like you? So you're going to answer both questions. Why is it important to be with friends or to have friends that are just like you? And why is it important to have friends who are not just like you? Go ahead and turn and talk with your table.
To be friends with people that just like you, because if you be friends with people that just like you, you could do the same thing every single time you go out with each other.
I think it's good to be friends with people just like you because, so like say that y'all got a lot of stuff in common. That's a good friendship, and like other stuff that'll make a good friendship. Okay, Rosalie.
Why it might be good with friends like you is because like it will have like you have in common with others. Like you'll be the same you'll be I can't hear you, Rosalie.
So you're saying that they could do some of the same things. Like if you have things in common, then you're going to agree about what you're going to do. If you both like to play outside, then you know that you're going to play outside together. So those are good ideas about having friends that are just like you. Think about having friends who are not just like you.
Well,
why might that be important
nice,
too?
It's nice not to have friends that's not just like you, so you could experience things that you have in common, what you have in mind and what they have in mind too, so they could find out different things about you and you could find out different things about them.
That's a really good point, and it connects back to our unit goal where we're talking about why it's important to really see other people, and we're going to talk about that in a little bit.
I think it might be a good idea to be friends with somebody that's just not like you, because just if the person is not like you, they probably got like different favorite colors or different things, but that's their opinion, but they like could still be your friend. Because my favorite color might be pink and Rosie's favorite color might be purple, so it's just an option.
Right.
So you can still be friends with somebody.
So I think it's important to have friends that's just not like you, because you don't want to be going to the same place over and over again. Because if you already went to a water park and you really love the water park, and another friend likes a trampoline park, so you can go to a water park and a trampoline park like that, because y'all don't have to keep on going to the same place over and over again.
So you get to experience new things.
Yeah.
I think that's a good idea. Hakeem?
I think it's good to not have friends just like you, because they might like different places to go to. Like if you like to go to the water park and the other dude like to go to the park, that's friends just not like you.
Rose?
It would be a good idea to have a friend that's not like you, because they might have different experiences than you. Like when they go skydiving, they don't be scared, but when you go skydiving, you are scared.
So you can support each other.
I know.